Hey, dear learners, we are on grade 7 mathematics, quarter 1, week 5, money problems involving percentage, under Matatag curriculum. For today's topic, at the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to solve money problems involving percentage. To begin with, let us have this preliminary activity. Match word to its definition. So here are the options. We have the sale price, selling price, and discount. It is the reduction in the original price of a commodity, product, or service. So you may pause and answer. Number 2, same options. It is the final price at which a product or item is sold to a customer after discounts have been applied. Item number 3, the amount of money that the company charges for its product. It is the price that the customers pay for buying a product without a discount. This is also known as the original price. Now, let's check your answers. It is the reduction in the original price of a commodity. So what is this? Discount. Next, we have here, it is the final price at which a product or item is sold to a customer after discounts have been applied. So this is sale price. Next, the amount of money that a company charges for its product. It is the price that the customers pay for buying a product without a discount. This is also known as the original price. So this is now the selling price. I hope you got it. Now let us answer this one. Okay, so illustrative example number 1, let us complete the table. So we are given here a birthday cake, the original price, and the discount rate. So we are looking for the discount and sale price. So first things first, we are going to find for the discount. So the formula is discount is equal to original price times the discount rate. So let us substitute. We have here 800 pesos times 18%. So, syempre, yung 18% dito, lagay muna natin sa fraction form, wherein 18% is equal to 0.18. Multiplying 800 pesos times 0.18, gawin natin manually. So, we have here 0.18. Inuna ko yung 0.18 kasi, okay, dalawa yung kanya ang significant digits dito. Then, we have times 800. Okay. So, in multiplying with zeros, dito sa last niya, rightmost part, pwede na nating ilaglag. Okay. 0 and 0, lagay na natin dito. And then, multiply na lang natin yung significant digit na times 8, that is 64. Then we have 8 times 1 is 8 plus 6, we have 14. So, here, we have here 144. Then, of course, we are going to count how many decimal place values from right. We have 1, 2. So, dun din sa baba, ganun din. 1, 2. So, our discount now is equal to 144. Tapos, lagay na natin siya dito sa ating table. Now, we can proceed in finding now the SP or the sale price. Just remember that sale price is equal to original price minus the discount. So, meron na tayong original price given here and then nakuha na rin natin yung discount. Ang kailangan lang natin is to put that here so that we have now SP is equal to 800 pesos minus 144. Therefore, our SP now is 656. So, ang sale price pala ay 656. Example number 2. So we have here a medicine kit with complete set. So this point, we are given here discount rate and the sale price. Okay, so we are looking for the original price and the discount. So ano kayang unahin natin? Let us solve for the rate of sale price muna. Ano ba yung rate of sale price? Ang rate of sale price ay yung itong 792.20 pesos. Ano siya sa part ng original price. Okay? So, ano ba siya? Kung 20% yung discount, so ibig sabihin, ano ito? With regards to the original price. So, in solving rate of sale price, it is equal to the rate of original price minus the rate of the discount. Okay? So, ilalagay lang po natin 100%. Remember, pagka sa original price, syempre siya na yung 100%. Therefore, 100% minus 20% is equal to 80%. Ibig sabihin, ito na yung rate ng ating sale price. Now, we can now put that 80% to solve here the original price. Ayan. Lagay natin dito yung ating formula. Original price is equal to SP, yung sale price natin, over yung kanyang rate of sale price, yung kukuha lang natin kanina. Then we are going to multiply it to 100%. So, ilagay na natin yung mga values, 792.20 all over 80% times 100%. So that, here, solve natin. Tingnan natin maigi, puwede tayong maglagay dito ng, ah, tanggalin na natin 'tong 100/80, puwede na nating tanggalin yung kaniyang isang zero. And then if we are going to multiply 799.20 times 10, nagmo-move lang itong kaniyang decimal point papunta sa right ng isa. Kasi nga yung 10 ay iisa na lang ang zero. So, isa lang. So, pupunta siya dito. Therefore, we are going to divide 799 or 7,992 divide by 8. So, yan. Divide na natin manually. 7,992 divided by 8. So, 7 divided by 8 cannot be. So, 79 na agad tayo. 79 divided by 8 is 9. 9 times 8 is 72. Then we subtract. We got 7. Then bring down 9. 79 divided by 8 is 9 again. 9 times 8 is 72. Subtracting, we have again 7. Then we bring down 2. So 72 divided by 8 is exactly 9. Therefore, okay, so 72 minus 72 is 0. Therefore, our original price is 999. So we put it there. Ngayon, puwede na tayong maghanap ng discount, okay? So, in finding the discount price, all we need to do is to subtract now the original price minus the sale price kasi nakuha na natin ang original price which is 999. Subtract natin yung 792.20. Our discount now is 199.8. So, ilagay na natin dito sa ating table. Let's have number 3. Example. So, we have here wristwatch. Yan, wristwatch natin. And then we have here the given original price, 3,600. And the discount price is 250 pesos. Now, we are going to compute for the discount rate and sale price. So, unahin na natin yung sale price kasi meron naman ng given dyan na original at discount. So, in finding sale price, all we need to do is to subtract original price minus the discount. So, original is 3,600 minus 250 pesos. Now, our SP is 3,350 pesos. So, let us put it here. Now we are ready to solve for our discount rate. So discount rate is equal to our discount over original price times 100%. So, lagay natin yung value, 250 over 3,600 times 100%. So, dito, pwede na tayong mag-cancel yung 100 over 3,600. Tanggalin na natin yung dalawang zeros sa taas at sa baba. Therefore, we have only 250 over 36. But remember, we can also put this into its lowest form, wherein we are going to divide what 250 divide by 2. Ganun din dito sa ating 36 divide by 2. So that the answer will be 125 over 18. Now let us compute manually. We have here 125 divided by 18. Now, dividing this 125 by 18, we have here 6. 6 times 18, we have 108. Then subtracting it, we have still 17. Now let's add 0. So we bring down 0. 170 now divided by 18. We have here 0.9. So multiplying 9 times 18, we get 162. Then subtracting it, we have here 8. Then let's add again another 0. So that 80 divided by 18 is 4. Then 4 times 18 is 72. So we subtract, we get again 8. So since 8 yan, sigurado 4 ulit doon. But all we need to have here is to get two decimal place values. Therefore, our DR is equal to 6.94%. So we put that here. Number 4 example. So we have here the study table, and then you are given here original price 2,250 and the discount 500. Now let's find for the unknown discount rate and the sale price. So unahin natin yung sale price. Yung sale price kasi ay original price minus discount. So madali na siya. 2,250 minus 500, that is now 1,750. So ilagay na natin ang sale price dito. And then let's proceed in finding the discount rate. So in finding the discount rate, dapat divide natin yung discount over yung original price times 100%. So D is 500 over 2,250 times 100%. Now, pwede naman natin agad-agad i-cancel out yung zero dito so that ang maiwan na lang ay 5,000. 500 times 10 is 5,000 over 225. So, pag rinidos natin yan, pwede kasi natin i-divide both by 25. Yan. I-divide yung taas ng 25, yung 5,000 divide by 25 at 225, pwede rin nating i-divide sa 25. Now, what will happen? You will have here 200 over 9. So, i-compute natin manually. 200 divided by 9. 20 divided by 9 is 2. 2 times 9 is 18. Subtract, meron tayong 2 na naiwan. Bring down 0. So, 20 divided by 9, ganun din. 2 times 9 is 18. Subtract again. We still have here 2. Then we add 1 0. Bring down 0. 20 divided by 9 is still 2. 2 times 9 is 18. Paulit-ulit lang siya. Okay, so we bring down again 2 here. And then put another 0 para makumpleto natin to 2 decimal place value. So, ganyan. Then, lagay lang natin doon. Now, since na-kompleto na up to 2 decimal place value, ang DR na natin ay 22.22%. So, that will be our discount rate. I just hope you learned something. So, I have here a ready activity for you to work on. So, ang unknown sa ating first, discount and sale. Dun sa second natin, meron tayong unknown na original price at discount. Sa washing machine, ang unknown ay discount rate and sale price. Under refrigerator, unknown ay original at discount. And then under cellphone, unknown ang discount at sale price. So, good luck in answering. Meron pang isa. You can answer that one and then check the answers doon sa next video natin. We have also here the activity 2. And this instruction is a certain online shopping platform offers discounts on selected items. Given below are discount rate and the original price of each item. Find the discount and the sale price of the item given its discount rate and its original price. So round answer to the nearest hundreds if necessary. So you may answer this one and then check the answers and solutions sa ating next video. See you there!
Para sa mas marami pang video, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, like, and share. Happy learning!